Okay, little kids, you never ever use fire alarms as toys in a public building. That is a big no no. You don't ever do that. The reason why you don't use fire alarms as toys in a public building is because fire alarms are not toys. They are very serious life safety devices that alert people when there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate the building immediately, and also notify the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why you never ever use fire alarms in a public building as toys. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, then you can use them as toys, but in a public building, you do not mess with them for any reason. Bye.